Hello everybody, and thank you for joining me for another day of Epic Surf News. I'm going to start the morning today by trying to get that board fixed that I smashed the other day. This is it right here. I'm going to take this over to Tony at T.C Surfboards. He's the guy who made this really awesome board. So hopefully Tony can do something, I don't know, put a little piece of foam there or shave it down and make it a new shape, who knows. But hopefully this board has not seen its last days. So that's the good news for the day.
Outside of that, I want to go ahead and peek some posts leading up to the Billabong Pipe Masters. Check out this teaser here with Dane Reynolds and this other one with Iggy Pop.